Hey, what's up, Marco? Corey here. Real quick, I'm going to shoot over a few tips that we can actually apply to your website. These three tips will actually throw your website on that first page of Google, help you draw in those leads coming in and help grow your business. The three things I'm actually going to go over is content, citations, and backlinks. So the first thing I'm actually going to go over is content. Google loves words. I'd actually put some more pictures in there, and all these images, they all have content in it as well. You can put buyer's intent keywords back there. That's just going to help with your rankings. And I guess your first tip would be about 1,500, maybe 2,000 words that should be going on that first page. That way you can actually layer in those keywords. Those keywords are what people are actually searching for and how your website is even being found. Kind of give you an idea here. Go right inside of Google, type in custom cabinets, Glendale, AZ. This is what you're going to see. You got this map pack or the GMB or Google My Business listing right here at the very top. And to get to the very top right here in this listing, you're going to be dealing with online directories called citations. What these are just online directories like Facebook, LinkedIn, City Star, the Local Best, the BBB. You got thousands of them out there. So ideally what we'd want to do is go get these same citations from your top competitors. We obviously want to go out and outrank them as well. So I would do 50 or even 100 times the amount of citations that they have. So when Google does all their algorithms, they got no reason to put you in the very top right here where all the traffic happens in the top three sections. Underneath that GMB, we have that all that organic traffic that happens right there on that first page of Google. And to get your website found right here really comes down to making sure you have all that content. You're found for those keywords. Those keywords are what people are searching for. And also what comes down to what's called a backlink. What a backlink is just a link from multiple different websites linking right back to yours so you can actually get power so you can get on that first page of Google to bring those leads in. Kind of give you an idea here. I took your URL and stuck it inside of Ahrefs. Ahrefs is just a tool, lets me see what happens behind the scenes of a site. So you're missing the referring domains. Those backlinks is what's going to drive your website on that first page of Google. The keywords are what people are searching for, and then you're missing the traffic. So this is custom cabinets. I actually put them inside of Ahrefs. Do a quick overview with you. 31 referring domains, 109 backlinks. And those backlinks is how he's getting those 205 clicks to his website, and then he's being found for 194 keywords. And we can actually see where those 200 clicks are coming from. Here's the keywords, what people are searching for, and also the position and the amount of traffic or the amount of clicks that he's getting on his site. So we got his name here at the top. Cabinet Makers Phoenix AZ, there's 50 clicks a month. Custom Cabinets Phoenix, another 100 clicks. Cabinet Makers Phoenix, another 100 clicks. Cabinet Makers in Phoenix, another 40 clicks. Custom Cabinets Gilbert. So we just got to come here and find all these keywords that's just going to help you bring more and more traffic. And we need to do that quality backlink as well, which not all backlinks are created equal. So we will want to do those backlinks that's going to help you get on that first page so we can actually bring those leads in and get a decent percentage of the total volume. Anyway, hopefully that all made sense. I'd love to put a custom game plan to help you to get to where you're going. Or if you just want to apply these 3 free tips for yourself, that's fine too. Look forward to chatting soon. Bye.